what I learned from my mentors and why mentorship is a necessity for success. I believe that it takes mentorship in order to cut down the time it takes to become successful in any arena. You know, with a mentor, it takes years, turns them into months. It takes months and turns them into weeks. Weeks turns into days, and days turns into moments. I can't tell you how many times I've been with my mentors or had a lesson or a session with a mentor, and they have said one thing to me that has changed the game for me and changed my entire life. All right, so one of my very first mentors that I had was not even in my same country. They lived out of the country. And that mentor helped me to make a lot of money. And what my mentor told me was that fast action will cause you fast cash. Just if you prolong and you wait and you hesitate, you wait for perfect conditions to start everything that you learn, I'm telling you, you're going to be behind in the game. And so I took fast action on every single thing they said to me, taught me, helped me with. And I'm telling you, that revelation changed my life. I remember when I wanted to make $1 million. I remember when I said I wanted to have $100,000 day. And at that time, I was not even doing $100,000, barely scraping about $100,000 a year, almost there, about like 90 something a year. And I wanted to have $100,000 a day because everybody around me, all of the people I was around were having $100,000 days. Why not me? My mentor told me what to do. I did it. I did a workshop called Get Relevant, Get Rich. And I'm telling you, in that workshop, it was profound. I did over $100,000. It was $1,000 to attend the workshop. I still do those workshops to this day. I do them at least once a year. But I did that, and I said only 150 people could come. 150 people registered at $1,000. You do the math. I was at 150,000. But when they got there, I had a program that I was launching. The program at the time was $10,000 for the program. Every single person in the room signed up for the program. So you can imagine what the outcome of that event was. My mentor took what would normally take a person years to do and turned it into a day, a moment. All right. So mentors can change your life. Another one of my mentors I had, Peter Daniels, he taught me the relevancy of meditation, of success and money and increase and abundance has a lot to do with your spiritual walk. He taught me to meditate day and night for good success. And he taught me the relevancy of it and why I need to do it every single day, not only to activate success in my business, but also to maintain success in my personal life. And that was a game changer for me. I have a regimen of meditation. It's how I came up with titles of books. It's how I came up with money-making ideas. It's how I've gotten out of some of the most ridiculous situations that you get into in business. It's how I resolved certain conflicts with relationships. It's how I overcame trauma, because that happens. Things happen in your life. I'm telling you, through the process and the art of meditation. But I'm telling you, I can now go into a meditation mode and visualize cover of a book, the title of a message, how to get something done. And I'm telling you, it works like 99% of the time. I'm hitting it right on, and I have a successful outcome. So that came from my mentor. Also, I had another mentor, Dr. Bridget and Dr. Hilliard, and they taught me preparation is never lost time. That to prepare for everything, that preparation is never lost time. You're never losing time when you're preparing. So it taught me to prepare in advance for my talks, prepare for my workshops, prepare for things I was going to do, to not just get up and try to fly off the handle, but to prepare. And it took my preparation to another level. I decided to prepare really well. And you know what? It caused me to be a winner, especially in the speaking arena. I don't know how many times I would hit a stage and get a standing ovation, or people be like, oh my God, you were the best speaker. Oh my God, it was amazing. And I could tell that a lot of times other people that got up there only start preparing the night before, or maybe a few days before. They didn't study their audience. They didn't know what they were going into. The lack of preparation caused them to not win in the situation. All right. So preparation is never lost time. Hey, this is a perfect place to stop and tell you about my exciting Women in Wealth Club. This is the ultimate online community where you get personalized consulting, accountability, systems, and virtual assistants to keep you focused. We're probably more extreme about your goals than you're used to, but if you really want to get serious about your goals and achieve them in record-breaking time, then extreme is exactly what you need. So, click the link below to reserve a spot. All right, back to the video. Another one of my mentors taught me the art of visualization. So meditation is different from visualization, but they're coupled together. Taught me to visualize my outcomes. Visualize what I wanted to happen when I was doing a book signing. Visualize the people coming to buy the book, for you to sign their books. Visualize you on a stage speaking and you having the outcome you want. Visualize sales. This is huge. I visualize to this day my sales coming in, what I want my numbers to be, what my bank account is going to be by the weekend. If I'm launching something, I visualize the launch process and what's going to happen, what the outcome is going to be. Visualization is the art of success. You are not going to have these high pinnacles of success if you don't understand how important visualization is. Seeing your outcome. All right. And I'm telling you, I've learned that you need to see it all the way to the end. Because a lot of times I visualize things and I get there and I get what I visualized. And I'm like, but hey, I didn't finish it. But I didn't finish it in a visualization process. So visualize your outcomes, go all the way to the end. What do you want the end outcome to be? All right. I visualize when I travel, me going to my destination, making it there safe. But I also visualize my return home and me back in my kitchen working or whatever I'm doing. I visualize the outcomes. All right. So visualization is a powerful principle I learned from one of my mentors, and I use it and I tell people to use it and practice it every single day. So those are some of the top tips, some of the top things that I learned from my mentors. I can go on and on. There's so many other lessons that I've learned from mentorship. I learned about investing. I learned about money. I learned about getting myself ahead of the game. So many awesome lessons, but that's the power of mentorship and masterminds. You have to find your group. Community is a commodity. You need to have a community of people. That's why I formed the Women in Wealth Club. I formed that community because this is not a sales pitch. This is a reality check. I formed that community because I knew there was so many women over and over again asking me questions about finances, money, their future. Why do I have money and don't have it? Why is this going on? I was mentoring them. And I said, I need to have a platform to really mentor these women for real. Then I had this dream about having this club, and the rest is history. I knew the dream was a God idea. It was an answer for him for what I should be doing next. I started that club, and now, lo and behold, now I'm a mentor to other women about the manifestation and the accumulation of wealth and health. And I'm telling you, it's changed the games in their life. I'm telling you, I see the difference. I see in people who would never in their life would have a portfolio, never in their life would have savings, never in their life would get out of debt, never in their life would be able to have 800 credit ratings or 2 homes and paying off every single thing they own and having no debt in this awesome life if it wasn't for that club. So mentorship can change your life. Get with your people, get with the people, the group of people, get in the clubs, pay, and you need to invest in your advancement. It takes investment for advancement. Never be afraid to invest in mentorship, in coaching, in VIP days, in masterminds, and going to sit with someone that can help you improve your life. I'm all for it. I'll do it for the rest of my life. Tony Robbins, all the athletes do it. All the top people, Tiger Woods, all those people, all of them had coaches, mentors, people in their life that caused them to be great. All right? Why not find yours? I can't wait to hear your story. Comment below and let me know if you have a mentor, if you were afraid of mentorship and why, how someone has helped advance you, or if you feel like you're called to even be a mentor. I want to hear your comments and what you plan to do with this information. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this one, you're going to love the other ones. I'm telling you, they're exciting. Also, click the link below and check out my free offer. I have something really exciting I want to get to you.